Hey, eraser! Eraser!
What?
Look what I just found. It's a rectangle.
No, Pen, that's a parallelogram. I would know.
What about this?
Oh my god, Pen, that's a pentagon.
Yeah, like if you took my name and added Tagon.
You don't understand, Pen. Pentagons are extremely scary.
Really? I didn't think.
Rocky to win. He might have gotten his barf back.
Wait, you want Rocky's disgusting barf back?
Yeah, it was cute, don't you think?